Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get custom symbols in your me name just like I have here. You can see how I've made a bunch of me's with just random symbols. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to get that. It's actually pretty simple and all the tools that I use are public, so this is something that everyone can do and it's very easy to do, so just follow the tutorial. But before I start I have to mention one thing, and that is it is not my responsibility if you get banned using this method. It's all on you. Always remember there is a risk of getting banned when messing around with hacks like this. If you understand that and wish to continue, let's get started. Otherwise, watch this video for entertainment purposes. Here are some prerequisites that you will need. First of all, you're going to need a modded Nintendo Switch. Second of all, you're going to need Citra emulator installed on your PC. You could use a real 3DS for this method too, but I'm trying to make this tutorial available to as many people as possible, and not everyone has a 3DS, so I'll just use Citra. Plus, it's more convenient to use Citra. After that, you're going to need to go to the websites that I'll link in the description. Also, you will need to download the files from the description, and you will need to put the contents of the 2-switch SD card on the root of your Nintendo Switch's SD card. I'll show you later on where to put the Citra files. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna want to download Citra emulator. Just go, download for Windows 64, yeah, save whatever, and just install the emulator. I'm pretty sure you can install an emulator on your own, so I'm not gonna do that again. After that, open up your Citra emulator, and just go open Citra folder. And here you will see all the files of your Citra emulator. Now go into the tutorial folder that I linked, which is this one. Go to Citra folders and just copy all of these. Just close out of Citra so it doesn't mess with anything. And just copy these from the tutorial folder to your actual Citra folder. And just replace everything that it asks to be replaced. Give it a second. And there we have it. Now, you need to open up Citra, and you need to open MeMaker. You can either just put it here, or you can just go to File, Load File, and then find it wherever you saved it. It should be included in the Downloads folder. So just open up this, click on Create New Me, start from scratch, Mail, and just make your me however you want. I'll just make this one something random real quick. And then here you want to turn copying to allow, and then you'll see that you'll have this prompt to put in the me name, and this is where you open up my browser. Your browser, and you go to my website. And on this website you have a bunch of symbols for the Nintendo Switch and for other consoles, and some of these actually work on the Nintendo Switch too, even though I'll just name this one something random. And there we have it. As you can see, the angry face actually shows up on Citra because it supports that font, but all the other ones are just gonna be question marks. But it's okay because your Nintendo Switch is going to see them. So just click on save, click on that, and then go to QR code and image options, and click on save me as QR code, and just select the me. It's gonna create a QR code, and as we can see, it saved it to the SD card. Now it actually has a virtual SD card in, so you just go to open Citra folder, you go to SDMC, DCIM, whatever that is, and you just go ahead and open it. Now at this point you could test this QR code with an actual 3DS if you want, just to see if it worked or not, but if you don't have one, we can just move on to the next step and check it directly with the Switch. Alright, so now I am on my Nintendo Switch. I'm going to assume that you copied the files from the 2-switch SD card folder on your Switch's SD card. So we just need to go ahead and launch Homebrew and go into FTPD. Now here you'll have to take note of your IP address at the top. Don't worry, it's a local IP, so just Just copy that 192.168. In my case, it's 2.38, 5,000. It can be different for you. It's okay. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your file browser. You want to open up a new tab. First of all, let this one open and just open up a new one. And here you want to type FTP and then your switch's local IP address. And once you do that, just press on it. And now you should go into the me port folder in me's, and we'll just name this one tutorial. I misspelled that, I don't care. And you're just gonna add that there. And now let's move back to the Nintendo Switch. Now press plus to exit out of FTPD and go ahead and launch MePort. Go here into import and let's choose the tutorial me that we just created. As you can see, it imported successfully. And now let's just go and see if our me actually worked. Let's go to me, create and edit to me. And as we can see, our me actually worked. And yeah, this is pretty much how you do it. I told you it's very simple. It only takes a few minutes. But do be aware, however, if you restart your Nintendo Switch, all of these symbols are gonna turn into just question marks. So just don't restart your Nintendo Switch, don't let the battery die, and you're all good. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this useful, and make sure to stay tuned for more. See ya!